And as you can see right here, guys, hard work actually pays off. More than $10,000 in one single day. I never did something like this. And the next day I woke up, I saw that I did $12,000 in sales. I was like, guys, am I gonna be the next Jeff Bezos? When is this gonna stop? After a few days of searching, I decided to go with this product as my second product. I am going to show you guys exactly how I went from $0 to $56,000 in sales in less than a week. I'm gonna show you how I built my store, how did I find my product, how I ran ads, and how I scaled everything to $56,000. Basically, I'm gonna show you everything and I'm gonna be very transparent. If you're still not making any money online after watching this video, then I don't know what to tell you. Alright, so let's start with the beginning. The very first thing that we need to do in order to generate some sales online is to have a store. You could build your Shopify store manually, that could take you a few hours. Or you could just go to this website that I found, buildyourstore.ai, click on this button that says build my free store, put your name in here and email, pick a niche and click this button. This will take you to the thank you page, which will have the email password and the store URL. You can use this to sign up to your new store. So then all you have to do is go to Shopify, put your email in here, go back to the thank you page, paste the password right here and log into your store. And if we go and check out our online store, it actually looks pretty cool. And there you go, your brand new Shopify website. As you can see, they have added some winning products in here and also a logo. This whole process will take less than 2 minutes, and after that we're gonna have our brand new Shopify store. Alright, so now that we have a website, we need to think about what product we want to sell. And here I want to present to you the concept of a winning product. A winning product is a product that's being sold on the market that's making huge waves. Everybody's talking about that product and it's something that works really well. It sells like hotcakes. So in order to find the first winning product that I wanted to sell on my store, I went to AutoDS. This platform offers us winning products on a daily basis. And these products are pretty much proven to make waves on the market. So I don't need to do a lot of trial and error because they are already doing it. You can also do it manually, but you're pretty much aiming in the dark and you're not guaranteed to find a winning product by yourself, and it takes a lot of time and money for testing. So with the first product that I wanted to import from AutoDS and start testing on my store, I went with these headphones right here. Now as you can see, the saturation score is somewhere in the middle. It's pretty busy, but it's not full market. So I decided that this is worth a try. So I clicked import draft, and once the draft upload process is finished, I clicked edit. I changed the title of the product, description, variants, and everything just the way I liked it, and then I saved an import, meaning that I pushed it to my store. Alright, so this is the first product that I decided that I wanted to sell on my store. This is the actual store. This is the product page. I built this product page this way. I'm just gonna give you a few pointers here. So I placed the product at $19.95. I'm getting this product for around $7. That's a pretty good profit margin. That's the name of the product that I decided to go with. And I said 70% off today only. I decided to try my luck with this scarcity method because a lot of people will think that the discount is only for today, but in reality, I'm doing that discount every single day. Next up, I have some bundles for people that want to buy more than one product. This will increase the AOV, which stands for average order value, meaning that pretty much only by having this little app installed here, I will have more orders from some of the people that decide to buy more than one piece. And this is the description that I went with. I use GIFs. I use a lot of GIFs because I think that GIFs are pretty powerful because videos are better than just still images. And also in this description, I put all of the information that the user would want to see if they would want to buy something like this. Safety, maximum comfort, easy to use, built to last. By the way, I used a lot of emojis because emojis are trending right now on product pages. And the final piece of the puzzle is the customer review section. Now I wanted to make sure that I have a very good customer review section, and the big majority of them are 5 stars. And if you scroll a bit down, you can see that I filtered the reviews and I only selected good reviews, and most importantly, picture reviews, pictures made by real customers. This way, the visitors of my store will have more trust in me and they will have more courage to buy the product from me because they see that someone else has bought the product before me and they left a review. Alright guys, so the first day of testing between 18th and 19th of December. As you can see right here, we only made 3 sales, so that's not encouraging at all. If you're wondering where is this difference from on each and every one of my orders, because as you can see right here, it's 28.81 instead of 19 and something. The answer is that I found a way for people to pay a bit more by offering them a priority shipping option, which means that they will get the product faster. I had a pretty good conversion rate, but only 3 orders in 2 days is not something that would work for me. But I didn't give up. I went back to AutoDS and I started looking for my next product. After a few days of searching, I decided to go with this product as my second product. It is a back straightener and posture corrector. I'm sure that you guys have seen this product thousands of times. And the reason why I decided to go with this particular product is that I remember that my mother bought this product for me as a present like 3 months ago, and I had it back home. So it was the perfect opportunity for me to actually film the ads myself. And as you can see right here in this video, I spent a lot of time and energy to film ads for this product. Now the price that I decided to go with this product was $29.99. I got this product for around $11. And for the product page, I went with the exact same formula as with the first product. I did this bundle area here. If you scroll down, you're gonna find some pictures of the product being in use, very nice description, some GIFs of the product being in use, some measurements, features, and if you scroll down, you're gonna find a lot of similarities. And in the ending of my product page, I use this customer review area with real people that bought the product and put pictures of them using the product. So guys, you're ready to see some nice results, and also you're gonna see what's the difference between a potential winner and a product that's not that good. As you can see here on my screen, it is clearly that this product did a lot better, because in one single day, in the 24th of December 2023, I did $334.46 with a conversion rate of 3.57%. That's very good. As you can see, I managed to do this with less than 200 people visiting my store. Now, if you go to the TikTok account that I used to advertise this product, you're gonna see that I spent $133. So guys, in the 24th of December, I did $334 in sales. I paid $133 in ads, and I paid my supplier $110 to fulfill the orders. If you do the math, this leaves us with $91 of net profit for the day. Pretty cool, right? This was the moment that I realized that I had to go all in. I needed to raise my budgets because I knew that this product was gonna hit big, mainly because it was between Christmas and New Year's Eve. And we all know that people like to spend a lot of money in this short period of time. So guys, I want you to guess how many sales did we get in the 25th of December. Let's go to TikTok. I'm gonna show you how much we spent on ads. So we spent $345 in ads. And if you go to our website here, let's select 25, apply. We did $995 in sales, guys. Only $5 shy of $1,000. How amazing is that? Now, in the second day, very good news. I was able to negotiate the price with the supplier. The price that she gave me was $9.25, which means that in the second day, I did $995 in sales. I spent $345 in ads, and total cost of goods with the brand new discount that I just got was $231, which gives us a total of $419 pure profit. Guys, I'm warning you, what's coming up next is one of the highest performing stunts that I was managed to pull off in my entire career. In 26th of December, I ended the day with $3,400 in sales. And after changing my product page a bit, you can see right here that I managed to pull off a close to 5% conversion rate. That is very rare on a dropshipping store. Let's do the math for the 26th. Total sales, $3,414 minus $1,774 spent on ads minus $767 spent on goods. This gives us a total of $872 in net profit for the day. This gave me a lot of confidence. But guys, just before going all in with all of the money that I had, Shopify decided to stop my payments. And they just wanted to check on me. And this was my first sleepless night, because I did my best. I did all that I had in my power to solve this issue. Because if there was no money coming in, I could not pay for my ads anymore, and this product would die out. And everything went right. The sleepless night actually paid off. And in the 27th of December, I came back stronger than ever, and I made $5,300. 28th of December made me 7.2K in sales. Things were going very consistent. In the 29th, I did 7.9K in sales. in the 30th of December, guys. As you can see right here, 8.2K. And as you can see right here, guys, hard work actually pays off. More than $10,000 in one single day. I never did something like this. Guys, this was absolutely insane. It was the last day of the year 2023, and I managed to make my actual first day in which I passed $10,000 in sales. And the next day I woke up, I saw that I did $12,000 in sales. I was like, guys, am I gonna be the next Jeff Bezos? When is this gonna stop? But guys, as they say, every dream must come to an end. As you can see right here from this line, this flat line right here, this is the second time when Shopify actually decided to stop my payments again. It was so bad that in the very next day I only did $242, and in the 3rd of January everything died out. Flat line. Now of course I'm gonna get back on my horse. This was a huge lesson for me, and right now I'm communicating with Shopify. I still don't know the reason why they have blocked my payments, but I guess this is like an automatic reaction because I made so much money in such a short period of time and they are raising concerns. So guys, in 1 week with ups and downs, I managed to make $56,000 by selling a product that was way oversaturated. And if I can do it, I am 100% that anyone who's watching this video can also do it. So guys, now that I have a lot more experience with this, I'm gonna solve this payment issue problem, but I'm gonna put it in the background. I'm not gonna put all of my energy into that because this way I'm gonna leave a lot of money on the table. So with the money that I managed to make with the posture corrector, which is around $16,000 to $17,000 in net profit, I opened up a second store where I am using the exact same method that I used to find the second product, and I actually managed to make $1,200 yesterday. And to be honest, I think that this product is gonna be a lot bigger than the second one because I have more experience and know what's about to happen. If this video reaches 1,000 likes, I'm gonna film another case study about this product, which is gonna be a lot bigger, and I'm gonna post it for free on this channel. Thank you guys for watching. Until next time.